Maybe I'm a bird, following the seasons. This is what I've learned.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another power hour slash speed clean, burst clean type of video. I have family guests that are coming this Saturday. Today is Monday, and I just have some things that I need to get cleaned and done. I will have a whole house clean with me later this week, but this is just kind of like my daughter's sleeping. I'm gonna do a little like odds and end things and then do a major clean later in the week when it's closer to the time of them coming. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna show you the list that I made, and hopefully I can get all of this done before she wakes up. So I'm not gonna lie, I do not dust very often, at least not on my mantle. I do on my TV stand and a couple other places, but this was pretty dusty, and since my in-laws were coming in, it's been a year since they've been here, I want everything to be nice and clean, and just everything honestly really needed it. So that's exactly what I'm doing, is dusting the TV, behind the TV, the faux plants, and up on my mantle. And if you guys are new here, I want to introduce myself. My name is Kristen. This is Life Made Simple. I also run a home decor and home renovation blog at lifemadesimple.blog. So if you like that type of stuff and you like cleaning motivation, you're in the right place. Comment down below if you are cleaning along with me. This is the perfect time to just set your timer for 10 minutes and get as much done as possible. If you need more motivation, I do have a cleaning list down below, and I will leave that link down there for further videos. One of the main tasks I did want to get done today was just to clean all the mirrors in my house. A lot of them are super dirty because my kids' fingers are all over them, and it's just, you know, they're always a mess. So what better time to clean them when they're all asleep or away at school? This window was a hot mess. This window is actually my oldest daughter. She is 3 years old and she's away at preschool right now, but her window is always a mess because it has the lowest window sill. So her and my 1-year-old are always staring at the birds or the mailman or the trash man, and it's really cute, but it was about time I got all the slobber and drool and snot off this window. Okay, now is the part that I'm going to take this hammer and get out some of the nails, because a little backstory, I did rip out the carpet in this closet about 6 months ago, and I have flooring to put down, but I had to tear up the carpet strips. So I got that all done last week, but I still have a couple nails that I need to get out. And then I just want to vacuum this area, and it's such a bad, like, this is bad. Yep, that's beer up there. This is so bad. I'm hoping maybe this weekend I will get to put the flooring down, maybe. While my in-laws are here and they're watching the girls. So I have literally just a couple nails that go all the way around that I have to pull out, and then I need a vacuum in here and obviously kind of pick up this mess.
I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now.
I am so excited to get this closet done. It is definitely not going to be fun, but I know the end result is going to be super, super nice. So I really need to get some paint in here. It is all an off-white, like yellow color, and I'm just really sick of it, and I cannot wait to get the floors down. So hopefully, fingers crossed, maybe this weekend I will get a head start.
Catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all I can, we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in a tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's gonna
Put this back in here, but I already moved the flooring in here and I forgot to film it. It was a hot mess. I actually dropped the box and all the flooring fell out. But this is the stuff that we're gonna use. It is peel and stick, and yeah, this is what it looks like. This is a little sneak peek of what's gonna be on the flooring here, and possibly throughout that area in the bathroom, since we have no tile right there. But yes, this flooring, I actually seen it on Brittany Boren's page and Sarah aka Mommy's page. I will link both of their accounts down below, but they both have used it and have really good reviews on it. I got it at Home Depot.
But I would never, ever, ever would have believed them, no reason. Sometimes the truth is hard to see, but now the never, ever, ever seemed to be over. I saw her, so I'm happy I got freed. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. I won, got it done. Lucky, lucky, lucky me. Lucky, lucky, lucky. I won't let the door hit when I leave. Should've known by your rap sheet.
So when we moved into this house, we got brand new washer and dryer, and me and my neighbor were talking about cleaning our washers the other day, and it dawned on me, we've lived here for 1.5 years and I have yet to clean it. So when I was at Walmart this weekend, that's what I bought, was these Tide washer packets, and it made my house smell so good.
So I'm happy I got freed.
Whew. I'm like coughing up a storm now, but it has been exactly an hour. It may not seem like I got much done, but to be honest, I think I did everything on my list. Okay, so I am officially done. I did all these things. I started to come over here and check them off and realized I still had laundry to fold, so got that done and remembered to put that cleaner in the washer. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this types of videos, please give me a thumbs up. This is kind of like what I do on a daily basis. Like some days when she naps for the first time, I'm not gonna lie, I sit down on my butt and I do nothing. But then probably 2 to 3 times a week, I do try to just kind of do a speed clean, like a power hour type of thing, and just kind of do this while she's sleeping, because it is really hard once the other one's home and the youngest one is awake. So I'm glad I got that stuff done. That's one, you know, less things that I have to do when my in-laws, right before they get here. So give it a thumbs up if you like these types of video, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.